Hi, my name is Enan, and I work as a NOC manager here at VaporVM. Managed Services follows a streamlined process to handle your IT requirements and ensure uninterrupted day-to-day operations so you can focus on your business goals. VaporVM has a wide range of managed services offerings. First, we have offerings for IT support services that provide 24/7 remote support and network monitoring. We have cloud deployment and managed services like infrastructure as a code, continuous deployment, automation, monitoring and security, perfect for existing cloud environments on AWS, Alibaba, and GCP. We also have Azure Cloud Solutions for cost-effective, smooth, and secure hybrid requirements, and cybersecurity services, which aims to assess and protect our clients' critical information, applications, systems, network, and IT operations. VaporVM boasts of our certified network and cybersecurity engineers, system engineers, cloud infrastructure, and DevOps professionals. Our presence across the globe allows us to manage and monitor around 25,000 nodes, which include servers, databases, storage and network devices, websites, in-house and third-party applications for either cloud or on-premise environments.